This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fried udon noodles with chicken. Whenever you stir-fry noodles, have you ever wondered how much noodles, 2 meat, 2 vegetables should you be using? Well, I do. The proportion is of course totally up to you, but it's always nice to have a guide. And here's mine. I'll use half the amount for noodles, quarter of the amount for the meat, in this case chicken, and the rest for vegetables. You can vary this ratio according to what you like, but I find this works pretty well for me. You can buy these udon noodle packs from the supermarket. All you need to do is to soak them in hot water for a couple of minutes while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. I'm using some chicken breast here today, but you can use any parts of the chicken you like. Cut this up into strips. If you're using chicken breast, look at the fibers. It runs this way. You would want to cut the chicken perpendicular to the fibers. Then marinate it with light soy sauce and pepper. Give all this a good mix. Then add in cornstarch. Coat the chicken well with this cornstarch and set it aside. For the vegetables, use whatever you have. It's great for cleaning out your fridge. I have here some baby fine beans or Kenya beans and a little carrot. Prepare your vegetables. For the aromatics, I'm using garlic, and green onions. When you're done preparing your meat and vegetables, drain the udon. To stir fry, put your wok over a medium-high heat. When the wok is hot, add in your oil. When the oil is hot, add in your chicken. And fry it till it's a little charred on the outside. Something like this. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add in your vegetable and garlic. Fry your vegetables to your preferred level of tenderness. I prefer my vegetables to have a little bit of crunch, so I'm not going to fry them for too long. How long should you fry your vegetables? Well, it will depend on the type of vegetables you're using and the size of your vegetable. Mine shouldn't take that long. This looks a bit dry, I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. When the vegetables are tender, add in the udon. Season it with oyster sauce, sugar, pepper. Drizzle some soy sauce around the sides of the pan. This will give you that little bit of caramelized flavor. Do the same for the sesame oil. Give all this a good mix. Taste and adjust for seasoning. If it tastes like the way you want it to be, we are done. This is stir-fry udon noodles with chicken.